Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Hi, I'm Batman. Arctic suit version. Let's go. Okay, so we have here from DC Heroclix, from WizKids, Batman. Okay, and this particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure, an exclusive figure that I got from CCO IC Regionals. And it's just appropriate that it's IC Regionals because this is the Arctic suit Batman. Okay, so for 14 years old and above, this was released 2025. So we're opening it 1 year after. So this is, I think, the price for I would say top eight. Okay, for that CCO event. So I'm lucky that there's only seven players, so that means we're automatically top eight. And I don't know a lot about this Batman, okay, but I know that Batman has a lot of suit, and this is for winter when winter is coming. So you can see the scope. Okay, the scope seems it's a bit small. I would imagine compared to the how do you call this, the plastic. Okay, but let's take a look at him first. Okay, so his scope is, yeah, he is wearing a trench coat. Okay. Has that utility belt over the trench coat, not under it, as Batman would have. Oh, and then he has snow goggles, I guess. And yeah, I like this spiky gloves. Okay, so for climbing, and he is stepping on a pile of snow, a rock snow. Okay, so I don't know from what comic line is this. I think it's from Endless Winter, but again, I'm not a huge Batman fan. So let's take a look at his card. Batman has the Batman team ability, as Batman would have, and the JLA team ability, DCP25, the 004. He is not unique, so you can use multiple of him if you like. He has the Batman family, Gotham City, Justice League, Trinity, Detective, Martial Artist keywords, like any Batman would. And he has a trait, the cold never bothered me anyway. So this is Elsa Batman. Batman can't be given action tokens by opposing effects. Okay, so no in cap and whatnot. When Batman clears one or more action tokens, generate an ice blocking terrain marker within range and line of fire. This game, those markers have adjacent characters must roll for breakaway to move if they don't already. So adjacent characters means even friendly characters need to break away uh, on your generated blocking terrain markers. So just be careful. Yes, improved targeting elevated, so you can shoot through elevated. Okay, and also place that blocking behind elevated because he has improved targeting. Okay, and he has another trait using the harsh terrain knockback, but Batman chooses the direction of the knockback, which is really strong because you can pull opponents towards you. And a special defense power using Stag as bait. Mastermind. When Batman uses it, he may instead choose an adjacent opposing bystander. Okay? If he does, after resolutions, place the attacker adjacent to Batman. Okay? So it's double effect. First is that you mastermind to an opposing character or a opposing bystander, which is already good. And aside from that, you put the adjacent next to the character that attack you adjacent to him for possible uh, attack on your turn. This is Bruce Wayne, Justice League, Endless Winter number 2 is the significant appearance. So I don't know what the Endless Winter is. Maybe it means a long winter, like no end. And maybe I don't know, it's caused by Mr. Freeze. I don't know. So if you know the storyline, put it in the comments, please. He comes in only at 60 points with 4 range and a running shot of 8 with precision strike, 2 targets though, so that's good. He has leadership and toughness. Then at the middle dial, he becomes sidesteppy with a combat reflexes and outwit, like any Batman would. And at the end of the click, he has that special damage power with perplex, incap, and charge. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe there will be new equipments that will be free for Batman, but I don't see a use for him at this at this time making this video. But he's a collector piece, obviously, as Batman is always a collectible figure, and the sculpt is really nice for limited exclusive figures. But what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and until next time, bye.